Mechanical keyboards versus membrane keyboards. Hi friends, in this video you will know about mechanical and membrane keyboards. That black keyboard is a membrane keyboard. On the other hand, this blue keyboard is a mechanical keyboard. Both of these keyboards are useful for all users and may have RGB or backlights. But they also have many differences in all parts of both of these keyboards. The membrane keyboards are inexpensive, simpler, lightweight, silent or have little sound. Moreover, these are produced in different sizes. Mechanical keyboards are really beautiful. These have the best quality and sounds. The mechanical keyboards are very nice for gaming. In a closer look, mechanical keyboards work by sending signals from switches. This model of keyboards are heavier, faster and more expensive than membrane keyboards. Also, mechanical keyboards have different switches and sounds. Moreover, these have a longer lifespan. If you don't know which one is better, I will guide you further. Undoubtedly, the mechanical keyboards are a very suitable option for everyone due to their replaceability of switches and longer life. Well guys, it was a short video about mechanical and membrane keyboards. I hope you enjoyed from my video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.